Hey, honey,
Yeah?
I was outside and they were handing out free turkey birds for the poor. So I pretended I was poor and took one.
That's not funny.
It's heavy. Let's see what's inside.
Okay.
What is this?
Oh, there's a note.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey, Jerky. Here are free veggies, but there's no such thing as a free bird. Turkeys are abused in sick factory farms. Meatvideo.com, 12-week baby birds.
Meat starves people. It takes about 12 pounds of crops, corn, bean, and grains for just 1 pound of meat. Leave animals alone. Thanks. No thanks taking.
Okay.
What is going on here? What is this? It's the baby, one of the baby
it's
bird.
A baby chick.
And there's some vegan food in here, it looks like.
Oh, that actually looks good.